Okay, so here's another cute bird here in Fort Lauderdale. I don't know if it's a male or female. I don't really know how to tell when it comes to birds, but so cute. He's looking for something to eat. I mean, I don't really have any snacks for him at all, or her at all. Don't worry, I have my mask on. I'm scared of avian flu also, so I'm not gonna try petting him or her at all. No offense, birdie. So cute. By the way, does anyone know what kind of bird this is? I mean, she or he doesn't really seem to be that, like, afraid of me at all. They usually aren't, because humans usually always feed the birds. I love birds, they're so cute. Not sure if I'd ever want to get one as a pet, though. You guys remember my birds are not useless episode of Joe Winko talk? I mean, like, they used to, like, give letters to the birds, and the birds would, fly off and deliver them to places. I'm not exactly sure how they trained them to know exactly where to fly to, but, maybe someone in the comments can enlighten me. There's more all over here. Like, there were a bunch of Cheetos laying on the floor earlier, and the birds were coming to eat all of them, but they already ate them all up right now. They're so cute. I love birds. Be cooler if they could talk. Some of them can, the parrots can. But whenever I see a parrot, it always ends up cussing me out for some reason. Makes me feel like I'm on some weird VH1 reality show.